How to fix God of War FPS drops on Windows PC. 1. Install the latest game patch. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Change Windows power plan. 4. Optimize in-game graphics settings. See details below. Texture quality, low. Model quality, original. Anisotropic filter, minimum. Shadows, original. Atmospherics, low. Ambient occlusion, disable. Film grain, lower it to 0 if necessary. DLSS, balanced. Fidelity FX super resolution, quality. 5. Modify graphics card settings. 5.1. For NVIDIA users, change the managed 3D settings as below. Max frame rate, set it to a frame rate below your monitor's current refresh rate. OpenGL rendering GPU. Set it to your NVIDIA GPU. Power management, prefer maximum performance. Low latency mode, ultra. Vertical sync, fast. Texture filtering, quality, performance. 5.2. For AMD users, refer to the IMG below to modify the global gaming settings. 6. Disable Steam overlays. 7. Disable background recording and Xbox Game Bar.